Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Tesla's 12-volt battery. This small but crucial component powers your vehicle's essential systems, like door locks, lights, and the onboard computer. A healthy 12-volt battery ensures your Tesla wakes up and operates correctly. If it's depleted, your car might not respond, leaving you unable to drive or even open the frunk. To begin, you'll need to access the 12-volt battery or its charging terminals. For many Tesla models, this involves opening the front trunk, or frunk, and carefully removing some plastic panels. You'll find dedicated positive and negative jump start points, often located near the passenger side firewall, designed for safe external charging. For charging, use a standard 12-volt battery charger or a portable jump box. First, connect the positive or red charger lead to your Tesla's positive 12-volt terminal. Next, attach the negative or black charger lead to a solid ground point on the vehicle chassis, away from the battery. Allow the battery to charge for at least 5 minutes before attempting to power on your Tesla. To maintain your 12-volt battery, check its voltage monthly. A healthy battery reads about 12.6 volts. Avoid deep discharges below 11.8 volts, as this can shorten its lifespan. While your Tesla's main battery charges the 12-volt, proactive checks and proper care are key to preventing unexpected issues and ensuring reliable vehicle operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.